In this example, we want to expand an expression, and that means that we usually have something in a bracket and we want to multiply that with a factor outside the bracket. And the rule for expanding such a simple term is very simple. What it basically means, take this factor outside and multiply it with each one of these factors inside. So we would, if we want to expand that, we would put this factor inside the bracket and say we have 10x. So we multiply the 10 with the x, plus we multiply the 10 with the 7. So we've got 10 times 7, and that would give us 10x plus 70 in this case. So that's fairly easy. We just need to remember that we have to multiply the factor outside with each term inside the bracket. Now let's have a look at a little bit more complex example. So here we want to expand this expression. Now we've got two brackets in a way, and what we need to do is we need to multiply each factor with each other. So that means we multiply the 5x, this first one, with the first factor in the second term, and we multiply it with the second term, and we also multiply the second factor of the first term with the second factor in the second term and with the second one. So let's see what we get. So if we multiply 5x times 2x, so we get 5x times 2x, and I indicate this times with this dot so that we don't confuse it with the x. Then we've got 5x times minus 1. This would give us minus 1 times 5x. And it doesn't matter which way around I write this. So that was the first factor multiplied into this second bracket. Now we take the second factor and multiply it into the second bracket. So we've got plus 3 times 2x, so plus 3 times 2x, and the last one, plus 3 times minus 1. So that gives us plus 3 times minus 1. Probably should write it like that. And now we need to simplify this a little bit. So what is 5x times 2x? Well, we just simply multiply it. 5 times 2 gives us 10, and x times x gives us x squared. Now here we've got minus 5x plus 3 times 2x, that gives us 6x, plus 3 times minus 1, so that would give us minus 3. And we can simplify that even more. So we've got 10x squared minus 5x plus 6x. This gives us plus 1x. So plus 6 minus 5x gives us x minus 3. So here we've got 10x squared plus x minus 3, and that would be the expansion of this set of two factors. I hope this makes sense, and thank you very much for watching.